In the classification of fuels, we have four classification. Okay, dito natin makikita sa board exam, ito yung mga bagay na nahirapan ako kaya line of 7, 70 plus lang yung board exam ko tungkol sa CDI because napakahirap na ito, napakabagot, napaka-boring na subject ng fire protection and arson investigation. So, ang sa akin lang is magbasa-basa kayo para makatulong sa inyo, masaulo niyo yung mga terminologies na ginagamit. So, sa Class A fuels, they are ordinary combustible materials that are usually made of organic substances such as wood and wood-based products. So, yan ang Class A. It includes some synthetic or inorganic materials like rubber, leather, and plastic products. So, yan yung Class A fuels. Tandaan nyo lang na wood-based products at saka itong mga synthetic or organic materials katulad ng rubber, leather, and plastic products. Yan ang tinatawag natin Class A fuels. Yan lang tatandaan niyo para hindi kayo mahirapan. Class B fuels, materials that are in the form of flammable liquids such as alcohol, di ba makikita natin alcohol, acidic solutions, oil, liquid, petroleum products. So, class B yan. So, makikita natin. So, Class C fuels, they are normally fire-resistant materials such as materials used on electrical wiring and other electric appliances. Sa Class C fuels, makikita natin yung electricity natin, electrical wiring natin is pwedeng mag-produce ng fire. So, o kaya nasunog yung mga appliances natin. Class D fuels, they are combustible metallic substances such as magnesium. Ito naman is chemical metallic substances natin, magnesium, titanium, zirconium, sodium, and potassium. So, ito yung mga class D fuels. Yan ang kaibahan. So, we have groups of solid fuels. So, biomass, organic matters like wood. So, biomass, tinatawag natin, biomass is yung mga organic matters like wood, garbage, and animal manure that can be used to produce energy. Yan. So, fabrics and textiles. Fabrics and textile. A fiber is a very fine thin strand or thread-like object. Fabric are twisted or woven fibers and textiles are machine woven or knitted fabric. Yan ang kaibahan ha. So, fabric na twisted or woven fibers yung pagawlan, ang textile are machine woven or knitted fabric o ginagamitan natin ng machine ang textile. So, madali ang masunog. So, plastics are included as ordinary fuels except those materials of or containing cellulose nitrate. So, ang except lang natin is yung mga material na mayroong cellulose nitrate or pyroxylene. So, yan lang ang hindi included sa plastics. So, coal, a black combustible mineral and solid resulting from the partial decomposition. So, ito yung sinunog muna siya, hindi siya masyadong nasunog. So, yun, madali na naman natin siyang susunugin. So, yun yung coal. Peat, it is partially decayed plant matter found in swamps, coal bags, and used as a fuel chiefly in areas where coal and oil are scarce. Kung makikita natin sa fossil fuel, so, ang dahilan kung bakit marami tayong gasolina na nakukuha, halimbawa, sa ating minerals, natural minerals, natural resources is because of the fossil fuels, fossil gases, oil. So, yan ang halimbawa ng peat. So, we have common solid fuels. So, letter A is bulky, coal, wood, wax, grease. Finely divided is yung plastic, paper, cork, leather. Sa dust naman is yung sawdust, sugar, grain, and others. So, yan yung common solid fuels. So, in terms of flammability, solid fuels are, doon naman sa gano karami, flammability niya, yung nakikita natin kung, di ba makikita natin na buo yung fire. So, pyrolexable solid fuels include many of the ordinary accepted combustibles. Lahat, nasabi natin kanina dun sa mga ordinary combustibles natin, halimbawa wood, so includes lahat. Paper and so on. The vapors released by their chemical decomposition support flaming combustion. So, doon halimbawa, paunti-unti siyang nasusunog, So, doon na lumalakas yung flame natin. This exemplifies a gas-to-gas reaction. So, ito naman is nagre-result ng gas-to-gas reaction. The vapors released mixed with oxygen in the air to produce a flame. So, makikita natin yan. Ewan ko lang kung pinapakinggan niyo ako sa sinasabi ko. The 9 pyrolexable solid fuels is solid fuels that are difficult to ignite. So, ito naman yung mahirap nating sunugin. A common example is charcoal. So, yan, charcoal na mahihirapan na tayong sunugin. Chemical decomposition does not occur because there are no pyrolexable elements present. No vapors are released. The glowing combustion that result is an example of gas to solid reaction. So, wala. Kahit anong hindi mo matinag. Charcoal. So, we have characteristics of fuels. Ang katangian niya is it is solid, have definite volume and shape. Kita natin yung itsura niya. In order for combustion to occur, it must reach ignition temperature for the solid to liquefy and then vaporize into the gaseous state. So, ang sinasabi nito is, kailangan mo natin siyang sindihan, sunugin ng kaunti-unti bago siya mag-liquefy at maging gaseous state. Yung sa na abo. During oxidation, it is the gaseous form that is capable of combining with oxygen. Doon sa pagsunog natin sa kanya, pagpaparami ng apoy, so yun yung nagiging gas. Okay. Sa liquids, ang liquids naman is assumes the shape of its container and may diffuse. So, assumes the shape of its container and may diffuse is kailangan nakalagay sa isang container. So, kapag halimbawa, pinasingaw mo, so, doon ka na mahihirapan. It has a definite volume and may be compressed slightly. Yon. Like a solid, in order for combustion to occur, sufficient heat must be present to vaporize it into the gaseous state. So, kinakailangan muna natin ng tamang init. Ang sinasabi nitong init is yung init ng sun. Hindi yung yakapin mo lang. Okay. We have groups of flammable liquids. Dito naman, grabe kalawak nung pinag-aaral natin. So, we have class A liquids, which includes those liquids having flash point below 22.8 degrees Celsius and having a boiling point below 37.8 degrees Celsius. So, yan yung class A liquids. Class 1B liquids include those liquids having flash point below 22.8 degrees Celsius and having a boiling point at above or 37 degrees Celsius. So, makikita nyo. Class IC liquids includes those liquids having flash points at or about 22.8 Celsius and below 37 and 8 degrees Celsius. So, ang tatandaan nyo lang naman dito is yung boiling point niya at saka flash point niya. Flash point of a liquid. So, flash point of a liquid refers to the lowest temperature a liquid at which sufficient vapor is given off to form an ignitable mixture with air. So, tama lamang naman na lowest temperature ng liquid para mag-produce ng sufficient vapor para mag-ignite ang isang bagay na ihalo natin sa air, sa oxygen. Near the surface of the liquid or within the vessel used, as determined by appropriate laboratory tests such as 79 degrees Celsius, in accordance with the standard method of test for flash point by the tag close tester, STMDD 56-61. So, sa flash point natin, makikita na, ang ibig sabihin nito is we are going to, i-detect natin kung paano mabilis ma-create ang isang fire. So, common liquid fuels, we have gasoline, lacquer, kerosene, olive oil, turpentine, alcohol, cold liver oil, paint, varnish. So, yan yung mga liquid fuels. So, maraming salamat. Next time, we will be having our oral recitation and quiz for these topics na na-discuss ko. Maraming salamat.